Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us. If you're preparing for any competitive exams after your law, you're at the right place. In this video today, I'm going to discuss with you all about UGC NET law examination. In the previous video, I have informed you that the notification is out for 85 subjects, out of which one of the subject is law. सो ये सारे डिटेल्स हम लोग इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं अबाउट द एग्जाम पैटर्न एंड सिलेबस which will be very helpful for all of you. If you have any questions, you can write to us on hello@iexamb.com या फिर आप हमें कॉल भी कर सकते हैं on this particular number, and also you can visit our website www.iexamb.com for more details. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation and do subscribe to our YouTube channel Legal Bee. Stay tuned with all such kind of updates and videos. UGC NET Law Exam December 2024. इसका नोटिफिकेशन हाल ही में आया है, that is on 19th of November, and the last date of filling the form is 11th of December. ये सारे डिटेल्स मैंने आप लोगों के साथ पिछले वीडियो में शेयर किए हैं along with the PDF of notification. Exam date is in January 2025. So be prepared. Hurry up for your preparation. अगर हम specifically law subject की बात करें, then definitely the prerequisites are that you have to complete an LLM or you have to be appearing in your last semester, and your result of UGC NET, even if you qualify, it will be subjected to your passing of LLM final examination. इस वीडियो में हम लोग एग्जाम पैटर्न एंड सिलेबस के बारे में बात करेंगे. ये नोटिफिकेशन का कटआउट है, मैंने पिछले वीडियो में भी डिस्कस किया था. अगेन आई हैव शेयर्ड इट ओवर हियर इफ इन केस यू हैव मिस्ड इट आउट. आप वीडियो को पॉज करके भी देख सकते हैं. दिस इज द एग्जाम पैटर्न. द मोड ऑफ एग्जाम इज ऑनलाइन ओनली एंड इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ कंटिन्यूअस पेपर. जैसे महाराष्ट्र सेट या दूसरे सेट एग्जामिनेशन होते हैं, उनके कुछ पैटर्न्स ऐसे होते हैं कि वो पेपर फिजिकल मोड में किया जाता है, बट ऐसा यूजीसी नेट के लिए नहीं है. यूजीसी नेट इज कम्प्लीटली इन ऑनलाइन मोड एंड इट इज अ कंटिन्यूअस पेपर. It is a continuous paper for first as well as second part, that is paper 1 and paper 2, and you don't have any break in between. यानी कि आपके जो 100 क्वेश्चंस है फर्स्ट पेपर के, जो रहेगा आपका जनरल पेपर, टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड रिसर्च, उसमें कुछ 10 यूनिट्स हैं. मैं सिलेबस आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ. Second paper will be relating to your discipline. For you all it will be law, as we are talking about law subject. So law paper से आपके 100 questions रहेंगे, first paper से आपके 50 questions रहेंगे, total of 150 MCQs. All these 150 MCQs will be there in front of you in the screen. आपकी मर्जी है, अगर आप पहले लॉ पार्ट सॉल्व करना चाहते हैं तो आप पहले लॉ पार्ट भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. दिस इज अपॉन योर टाइम मैनेजमेंट एंड स्ट्रैटेजी एज वेल एज योर कंफर्ट. But within that composite time of 3 hours, that is 180 minutes, you have to complete all the MCQs. You will not be given any extra time, and also remember there is no negative marking. So that's a good thing. 100 marks for 50 questions. So this means that each question carries 2 marks. 200 marks for 100 questions of law. So total this paper is of 300 marks and the number of MCQs will be 150. There is no theory paper. It is entirely an MCQ based paper with 4 options each. This is the link for the application form which I have shared it over here with you. ये ओपन करने के बाद आपको इस तरीके की विंडो ओपन होगी एंड आप यहाँ पे रजिस्टर पे जाके लॉग इन कर सकते हैं एंड अपना एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फिल कर सकते हैं. Hurry up if you are destined that you want to become an assistant professor in law or you want to qualify the JRF, then don't waste time. Hurry up and fill your form. Don't waste for the last moment. Now this is the cutting which I have shared over here. This is official website of UGC NET, जिसमें ऐसा कोई भी चेंज नहीं आया है relating to syllabus. Syllabus 58 कोड है लॉ का. यहाँ पे हम जब जाते हैं तो हम यहाँ पे सिलेबस को डाउनलोड करके ओपन कर सकते हैं. एंड अगर हमें पेपर 1 का सिलेबस देखना है, दैट इज कॉमन फॉर ऑल द पेपर्स. जनरल पेपर ऑन टीचिंग एंड रिसर्च एप्टीट्यूड, दैट इज ऑन सब्जेक्ट कोड 00. You can download it in English as well as Hindi form from here. This is how the cutting will be visible for you. I have put the screenshot over here. This is how the website will look. अभी तक इन्होंने इसमें कोई changes नहीं किए हैं. 2019 के बाद जो syllabus चलता आ रहा है, that is still being continued. Many students have the queries that new criminal laws आने के बाद कोई changes हैं क्या? But अभी तक ऐसे कोई भी change official website पे नहीं आया है. The pattern is not changed yet and the syllabus is also not changed. But still it is always better that you be updated with the changes that have come, the key changes at least. क्रिमिनल लॉज में क्या आए हैं उतना आप पढ़ सकते हैं. वैसे भी आपको क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड और एविडेंस तो सिलेबस में है नहीं. आई विल कम बैक टू दैट. लेट अस गो टू द सिलेबस पार्ट नाउ. आई विल जस्ट ओपन द पीडीएफ फॉर यू. दैट विल बी मोर इजी. दिस इज द सिलेबस ऑफ योर फर्स्ट पेपर. In your first paper, that is your general paper on teaching and research aptitude, as we have discussed, there will be 50 MCQs. And always try to remember that read this objective that is given in the starting of the PDF. It helps you understand that what is their objective of assessing you on this area. यानी कि वो आपसे क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं एग्जाम में. वो अगर आपके दिमाग में है तो जब आप पढ़ाई करते हो, you are able to determine that this area is important and the questions can be asked from this area. So that is something which you should always go through. For assessing the teaching and research capabilities of the candidates, this paper has been designed. Test aims at assessing the teaching and research aptitude. Candidates are expected to possess and exhibit cognitive abilities which include comprehensive analysis, evaluation, understanding, structure of arguments, deductive and inductive reasoning, that is your logical reasoning part, general awareness about teaching and learning processes in higher education systems. They should be aware of interaction between people, environment, natural resources and impact on the quality of life. Basically, the teacher should possess all these qualities, we should say that. So, इसलिए उन्होंने ये जनरल पेपर को डिवाइड किया है 10 यूनिट्स में. एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप सारे ही सिलेबस को कवर करें. डोंट ट्राई टू लीव एनीथिंग. यू नेवर नो कि कौन से यूनिट को कब कितना वेटेज दिया जाए. सो बी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इन योर प्रिपरेशन. डेफिनेटली यू कैन फोकस ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंट एरियाज जहां से ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. सी द प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स बट डोंट लीव एनी पर्टिकुलर यूनिट. दिस इज टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड, फर्स्ट यूनिट, all about teaching aptitude. Second unit is research aptitude. Teaching aptitude and research aptitude both are very very important. ये सारा theory है, आप पढ़ सकते हैं. It is not very difficult. Comprehension तो आपको practice से ही develop करना होगा. That is your third unit. Practice, practice and practice. Communication is also very common sense based topic. Somewhere you might have to learn some things. Classroom communication and all these are really important topics. Then mathematical reasoning and aptitude. This is also something which depends upon practice, and if you are weak at it, then you may just go through it as much as you can, you do. But don't waste much time on that if you know that you cannot score well in it. Focus on the other areas. Logical reasoning is very very important, and it's all about learning and revising basically. Some points you need to revise again and again. Data interpretation and mathematical reasoning both are based on practice. DI तो कंपलसरी पूछा ही जाता है. प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स देखिएगा. Information and communication technology is a scoring area. You can read it. Unit 8. Unit 9 again it's very easy. People, development and environment. You can study this with your environmental law as you have that in your syllabus of law. You can study this hand in hand together. And last one is higher education system. It's talking about the institutions of high learning. उसमें आपको basic history, ancient India के भी education systems पढ़ने हैं. Then you have to come to the post independence area. Then you have to go for policies, governance, technical skill based education, professional. All this you can complete. So this is all about your first paper syllabus. Now we will go to the syllabus of law. This is your syllabus of law. I have already opened these PDFs over here for you. I will also share the notifications. I will also share the PDFs. Both these PDFs of the syllabus with you in the description of the video. Do download it. First unit is jurisprudence. Very very important for UGC NET exam. Constitutional and administrative law is combined together in second unit. Again very important for you all in UGC NET exam. Third unit, Public international law and international humanitarian law, again very very important. Can you see that they have given the subtopics over here? Stick to these topics only. Please remember, all these subjects are very vast, but they have given you a list of the topics from where the questions are going to be asked. So please stick to that. Don't go on reading something extra. Perfect yours, make yourself perfect in all these areas and practice as much as you can. Mock tests are very, very important in this paper. Solve as much as you can. Okay. Law of crimes, as I have told you, CRBC evidence, these things are not there. Just your IPC is there in law of crimes. So you can update yourself with what current changes have come. Just the key changes in the new criminal laws. ऐसा syllabus में कहीं भी prescribed नहीं है, but to be on a safer side, you can go through that. Law of torts and consumer protection is there together in one unit. In that you have Motor Vehicle Act also, Corporation Act also. So that is how you just have one bit of these acts. So like that you can understand how much weightage you have to give and you can study accordingly. Commercial law, they have made one unit in which you have contracts, you have special contracts, Sale of Goods Act, partnership, negotiable instrument, company law. Company law also you can see that three subtopics are there. So just focus on this. You may feel that as we have the importance to company law in SEBI exam, in other examinations, corporate law, उस तरीके का weightage UGC नेट एग्जाम में नहीं है. Please remember and focus according to that. You have to prepare. Whatever they have given you over here, just focus on that part. Incorporation of company, prospectus, shares, debentures, director meetings, corporate social responsibility. बस इतना ही पढ़ना है. Stick to the syllabus because you have to study a lot. Be comprehensive, study all the units, but be specific to the topics provided. Family law, you have to study for this subject. It's important. Case law based questions are also asked from family law. Please check the previous year papers. Environment and human rights law, again they have it combined together. Human rights angle in the environmental law also you have to cover. In that they have provided you over here International Bill of Rights, then all these development of human rights, everything, NGT, important case laws, all this, environmental impact assessment, environmental protection act, all these are important over here. Intellectual property rights and information technology law is the 9th unit, IPR, and in that you have IT Act, cyber crimes, basic details, and all that you can go through. IPR is also very important. And the last unit is comparative public law and systems of governance. Now, this is not there generally in the traditional syllabus of law, but this is a very growing area nowadays. It's not very difficult. You all might have studied constitution. You in that you allied along with that you might have studied about federalism, the structure of Indian government and everything. Just you have to compare that with USA, Canada, UK, France, like that, separation of powers, independence of judiciary, a comparative study of India, UK, USA, then rule of law, what is the meaning of that, USA, Canada, and India models of federalism, like that, a comparative law syllabus is there. And questions are asked from this unit as well. Don't be under the impression that questions are asked from somewhere and questions are not asked from somewhere. So this is also equally important unit. Don't worry, the material gets available easily. There is a lot of material available. Just focus on the syllabus, properly cover your syllabus. Ombudsman, very very important topic. Always questions are asked from this area. Right to information is important. So please go for a comprehensive preparation. So that's all from the syllabus and the exam pattern that we have discussed today. If you have any queries, you can reach out to us in the comment section of the video as well. Thank you everybody. Download our app from the Google Play Store and check out all the exam courses available at iExam. Thank you everybody.